Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette. 3LT Z51 package. Extremely nice car. As you can see, the nose cone isn't all chipped up or nicked up. It does have the 3M paint protectant put on it. Kind of the clear adhesive, and it's up on the hood. Part of the fenders, the front. Nose cone, and then down below. If you take a look down below there, so you don't see that all chipped up either on that lower valance below the door and up in front of the kind of the dog leg, if you will, on the back. So it does have some of the 3M protective coating on it. Looks good. Chrome wheels. Like I said, it is a 3LT Z51 package. Get inside, kind of show you some of the features that it does have. The heads-up display, ride control, all the good stuff. It does have the ebony leather interior in it. If you have any questions on this car, feel free to give us a call. The number you can reach us at is 507-386-1726. Or you can check out the still pictures, see the underside of it, engine bay. The car is extremely clean. All those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, as far as this stripe, it is a flat black vinyl on there, so it's not painted on. If you absolutely despise it and won't want it on there, it can be removed. Not a big deal. Again, it is vinyl, but I think it really adds to the nice look of the black and yellow on this, along with the black highlights from the vents back here and the kind of the side gills, if you will. Go ahead and open it up, show the miles and the interior and everything on this car. See, the interior is extremely nice too. Very well taken care of, bet. We'll glare off the door so you can see. So there's memory seating, power locks, power windows, Bose. There's your heads-up display. It is a 7-speed manual transmission. Steering wheel controls. Obviously the navigation stereo system in it. A little over 20,000 miles, 20,639. There's your mode select, the ride control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Good idea what it sounds like. A little tougher getting in and out of those, holding on to the camera, getting a little low. There you get an idea of the sound. So 2015 3LT Z51 Corvette, removable top, coupe, a little over 20,000 miles. Again, check out any of the still pictures, see the underside. No evidence of paint work or anything like that on it. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And or, like I said, give us a call if you have any questions, wonder about transportation. Maybe you got an older vet and want to trade on a new one. Give us a call. 507-386-1726.